So that's a cosmetic washer. Let's make some.
Hey YouTube, what's going on? I'm Greg and welcome to my machine shop. Today's video is a continuation of our part 1A where we machined the standoffs for our Wallaby base. We'll be making the cosmetic washers, which are also a simple turning operation on the lathe. Without further ado, let's go take a look at the print.
The cosmetic washer that we're going to be using on the Wallaby base is a very straightforward turning operation on the lathe with one small exception, and that's this radius that we want to cut in right here. The way that we're going to do that is make a form tool. It's I guess kind of a stretch to call this a form tool. Very simple form tool. Take a piece of high-speed steel and cut a radius. We'll shape the outside of this piece of high-speed steel and then bring it into the part, cutting this radius. The way that we're going to do this is this radius here is 1125. So I've got a drill that's 228, the number 1 drill. We'll drill a hole in the plastic and then trim it so half of the circle is exposed and use that as a template. And then just take this over to the grinder and grind it and keep matching it with our hole until we get the shape that we were looking for. And we face off the workpiece as per tradition.
So the first thing we want to do is touch off our tool on the outside of the workpiece. We know it's 0.75 inches. We'll take that, enter that into our DRO as our starting point. Then we'll turn it down towards our target of 0.600. We're taking rough passes here. Then we come back and take a fine pass right here. We stop and take a measurement, an accurate measurement of where
62257.
We'll enter that into the DRO. Set our cross-slide depth to our desired diameter of 0.600.
0.6005. We'll call that good.
Pull the carriage out of the way. We're going to spot drill. And then drill for our 0.140 clearance hole for our 632 screw. Now here we load up our custom form tool and we just touch off the part. And then we set our cross slide to 0.600. We know that's the outside diameter. Enter that into the DRO. Now, looking at the print, we're going to shoot for 0.375. So, to lay the running, we slowly advance our tool into the part. 0.5, coming down, 0.38, shooting for 0.375, right about there. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Looking good. Once we hit our depth, then we want to pull the carriage straight out, so we've got a flat there. Now we want to face the end off. We bring it back and we touch off at the base of our radius right here. Now taking a look at the print, we want that length there to be 0.1125. So we advance the carriage down 0.1125 and then take a facing cut. And that completes that dimension there. And now it's time to part off our washer. So we load the parting tool. We touch off on the face, set our carriage on our DRO as 0. We know we want to go to 0.200 total thickness. Our parting tool is 0.08, so we advance the carriage 0.284 just to give us a few thousandths to clean up some fine sandpaper when we're done. Then we bring in our file, deburr our edges, and finish the parting off operation. And that's satisfying. There we go. Cosmetic washer.
Well, there we have it. We finished our 4 cosmetic washers for our base, the last lathe operation we have in completing our base. I hope you're enjoying these videos, and if so, do me a favor and click the subscribe and like. Next time we'll be going back to Fusion 360 and making the last parts to complete our base. I'm Greg. Thanks for visiting my machine shop. Until next time, take care.